Satu lagi perkara yang dibincang di Jemaah Kabinet pada pagi ini adalah permintaan dari dua kementerian kita punya KPKT, Kementerian Perumahan dan Kerajaan Tempatan, bersama juga dengan Kementerian Sumber Asli dan Alam Sekitar, iaitu satu cadangan konsep aliran kerja baru yang melibatkan pengeluaran hak milik strata dan pemilikan kosong secara serentak. That is, bila kita beri vacant possession of the houses, especially yang mempunyai strata title, bertingkat kan. Kebanyakan ni apartment lah, flats, apartment. Pada masa kita serahkan vacant possession, kita juga serahkan title dia, strata title. Ini seperti saya katakan tadi, diminta oleh kedua kementerian sebab kita dapati bahawa isu strata title telah pun menjadi satu masalah selama ini. Dan didapati tidak kurang daripada berapa ratus punya skim perumahan tu. Saya ingat 800 skim perumahan yang melibatkan strata title ini. Sampai hari ini orang sudah masuk tinggal di flat-flat ataupun apartment, tetapi strata title masih belum dikeluarkan. Dan ini memang menjadi satu masalah kepada pembeli-pembeli flat-flat dan apartment. There has been a lot of complaints in the past that once vacant possession is given to purchasers of apartments and flats, they've moved in, but after a couple of years, they are still not able to get the strata title. So if they wish to sell their apartments, for example, they will not use the strata title method. That is what we normally do. They would have to go by deed of assignment, on and off. This is very unhealthy, and most of the cases, after a couple of years, developers either they stop, they disappear, they get wound up, or they do not have money anymore to apply for strata titles. Because under the existing act, they can apply for strata titles 6 months after vacant possession is given. You know? Now, with this proposal, they would have to start applying for strata titles the minute they finish the structure of the entire building. And it is proposed that the strata titles, the period involved for the application to the issuance, not more than 100 days. And we have, that is the two ministries, that is Datuk Douglas Uga, his ministry and our ministries. We have met with the stakeholders, the REDA, the housing developers, and the house buyers association, and the architects. They feel that it is definitely a good idea in good modern practice. And also, we are also very happy to hear that the land office, that is KPTG, Pejabat Tanah dan Galian, what in English is Land and Mines, Department of Land and Mines. They are able to do it, you see. They are able to do it. The present provisions in the Act does not state clearly that the purchaser would have to pay for all these charges to the developer first. Or the developer may have collected all these charges to apply for strata title from the individual purchasers, but they did not apply. So this time it is stated, purchaser must pay this amount, and this amount shall be utilised to pay for the strata title. Tetapi sebelum kita dapat menguatkuasakan konsep aliran kerja baru ini, beberapa akta akan dipindah dulu. Dan saya rasa aliran kerja baru, pengeluaran hak milik strata dan pemilikan kosong secara serentak ni hanya dapat dikuatkuasakan lah. Yang paling awal pun next year. Memandangkan begitu banyak akta-akta harus dipindah.